Hey guys, in today's video we're going to see how easy it is to eliminate clutter by deleting as many pages as you want from any PDF document, straight from your web browser, using DeftPDF's web-based platform. From the DeftPDF.com homepage, let's click All Tools. Under the Edit and Sign heading, we can find the Delete Pages tool. Select the PDF you'd like to delete pages from. From here, we can select which pages we want to delete, or enter parameters from this text box. Once you're finished, hit Apply and save to your hard drive or share to the cloud or social media. Find out all the things you can do with a PDF straight from your browser by visiting DeftPDF.com.